Welcome back once again. So in the previous video, we will learn the all the four APIs and how do we customize our response with the help of response entity. In this video, we will learn the difference between put and patch. So basically, the put is used for the whole data we want to like update, and the like patch is used for the a partial updation. And there is a one problem in the post put mapping, like if we uh, if we want to change the one data, then we have to write the whole data. So there is a lot of things in the put mapping. That's why the patch is introduced. So like if we want to like give one day want to change the one data, then we have to the patch is there. Like put is we can check the payload of the put, like if like we want to change the name, right? So we have to write these two things. We if we don't write these two things, then we will get the null. So we have to write the boilerplate codes here too much. To overcome this problem, the patch is introduced. So patch is used for the partial updation. So let's write the code of the patch mapping and test it. Okay, so first of all, write annotate at the rate patch mapping. Uh, give like endpoints here. So I am giving the partial update, partial slash update, and slash in the path variable I am giving the ID. Like with the help of ID we can fetch it. So here is a like we have to think about the request, what we send in the request body, right? So we are sending in the request body only one parameter or two parameter, or we can send the three parameters also. Like if we want to change the name, we can write here only name. These the two things we have to not write. Okay, so with this like key value pair, like name is a key and its value is arrow. So we have to take here the map. Okay, like map. In key we are taking string because the key is always in a string. Okay, but the value could be changed. So for the value we are taking the objects, because we don't know what is the value, right? It could be the long, it could be string, it could be anything. So that's why we are taking the object. So object is a parent for all. Okay, so here we taking the fields. Import the map package. Okay, so here with the help of like customer service. mm, so we have to like, so in the service we are not created any method, that's why it's showing error. So let's create the method partial update in the service. So check if there is gone or not. Error is not FYELT. Oh, sorry. I am giving here dot. So now it's gone. Let's check here. So we have to implement this method. Right, so we have implemented this. So first of all, with the help of ID, we can get the old customer. So we are taking this. It is optional, so we are taking the get here, right? So now I am like with the help of stream, I can collect into the list. So we can get the keys here, okay? So mhm. Field dot entry set, convert it to the entry set, and then apply stream. Then apply with the help of map we can get the key only, right? So we need a map. Mm, then we have to only get a key. Now collect it with the help of collect method. Right. So now we are taking here with the help of for each we can iterate each key, and we can first get collected here. Okay, it's collected. Like so in the key we are using the switch cases, right? In the switch we can provide a here key. So in the switch we are giving the here cases, like case if the case is name, then customer old customer dot mm, set name, right? So we want here the key is name, and we want the value. So with the help of this key we will get its value. So for this we have to use this field dot get, okay, and convert it into the true string because this is object. So now it's done. With the help of this key, we are passing here name, so name value, with the help of this we can get the its value, and we can convert it the to string because this is object. So we will setting the values here. So with similarly we can do with the help activity and contact break statement case next cases. contact and activity is there for contact. Okay, so I'm copying this. Okay, for set name, like we have to call set contact. Okay, so for the field dot we have to pass this. Similarly, use break. Activity. Use this. Use this. So now it's done. Let's save this employee, like with the help of customer repository. This one. So I am saving this with the help of customer. Like we have a old customer. Okay, and return the this old customer. Right, this one. Okay. So let's run the program and check whether it's working or not. Okay, okay, my bad. So it's let's first create here the partial update because it is taking time. Add request. So add request is it's required added the folder. Sorry for that. Just delete it. So I want to just add a request. Add request in this. So for this is patch. So for this partial update, I want the partial update. Now the server is running fine. So what is my customer slash partial update? So first we will get all the customers like okay. So I want to change the contact number of Asis. Okay. So ID is 1. So for this we have to say first is this in body, like we have to provide only contacts. We want to contact so only contact. Okay, I am giving only the 5 digits. So we will check here. It will be too long number. So I am just updating this number. Only one field I am updating. Okay, this one. Beautify. Let's send and check what is happening. So it's updated now. So first check it's updated or not. It's updated. 95540. Check. No new entry is there. It's updated. So like patch is resolving many things. Like if you want to change the uh, name activity, it's working or not. We will check. for ID like mm-hmm, check which field we want to for the for ID3 we can change like purchasing motorcycle. Now it's purchasing motorcycle Honda, purchasing Honda motorcycle. Okay, so for third ID we can update purchasing Honda motorcycle. Okay, let's check his contact number. It's 993639. So 3974 then. Okay, I'm adding two more digits. So let's check it's updated or not or giving any error. So this is updated. Let's check here. ID third law. Purchasing Honda motorcycle. Arun is there and we are adding the two more digits. So it will work fine. Okay, so page is very beautiful. So with the help of page we can like update one field, two field and third field. But in the put we have to write the all the things. Like if we want to update only name, we have to write these two things also. That's why the patch is introduced. So for this, thank you in watching. Like we have a one way also for this patch, like with the help of we are doing here like before Java 8, we are doing the switch cases and this is and updating the fields. So with the help of like reflection, we can also update this field. So in the next video, I am covering the how with the help of reflections, how the fields can be changed. Okay, and after that we will cover the exceptions and controller advice all the things in this projects. And after that we will also add the security. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.